Here's how to confirm your age on TikTok. Open the TikTok app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and tap Help Center. Then go to Report a Problem, scroll down, and tap Need More Help. In the message box, type a request asking TikTok to verify your age. Then send it. After submitting the request, answer the questions asked by the bot. Next, tap on the link provided by the bot to ET to the age correction page. TikTok will then give you two verification methods. You can use facial age estimation or verify your age with identification and selfies. Select the method you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. If you choose facial age estimation, tap Open Camera and complete the scan. If you choose the ID option, submit the required identification and selfies as instructed. Once TikTok finishes reviewing your verification, your age will be confirmed and your account information will be updated if necessary. That's all for this video. Thanks.